to the 1 section. So we're going to talk about square number 2 here, this one. All right, so what are the parent genotypes? Genotypes mean letters. So make sure you're following that. What are the genotypes of this guy? What are the parent genotypes? Come on. Well, they're all H's. Capital H is dad, right? Mom is little h. What are their phenotypes of mom and dad? So phenotypes. Mom would be 1 horn or 2? Come on. 1. And dad is 2. All right. So what percentage of offspring have 2 horns? Look at all their babies. What percentage have 2 horns? Remember, which is more dominant? 2 horns or 1?
100.
2 horns are dominant, right? So if you have a capital H, you're going to be 2-horned. So what is the percentage of their children that are going to be 2-horned?
50. Or no, 100.
100%. Yeah, they're all going to be 2-horned, aren't they? All right, and then what would be their genotypes of their children? All of them. They'd be the same genotype, wouldn't they? Mm-hmm. So what is it? 2 letters. What are they? Capital H, lowercase h. All right, and then 3. So we're going to look at this one here, where we're talking about long tongues or short tongues, because remember, chameleons shoot their tongues out. All right, so what are the parent phenotypes? They're both the same. What are they? Lowercase t, lowercase t. They are homozygous recessive. All right, and then what are the offspring of their babies that are possible? You only have 1 possibility, huh? 100% little t, little t. These are pure breeding, aren't they? They're pure breeding because all babies are going to be the same. And in this case, they're purebred, homozygous recessive. All right, so what percentage of their offspring are heterozygous? 0, none of them. And then homozygous, 100%, right? All right, so when we go to 4, that's this one here, in the middle on the bottom. Do any of the parents have a long tongue?
No.
Remember, look at here. Long tongue is dominant over short tongue. They both have long tongues, right? Yes, both of them. And what is their genotypes? Well, that would be capital T, capital T, little t. So that's their genotypes. What percentage of their offspring will have short tongues? Is anybody going to have a short tongue? No, 0. And then their genotype of a short tongue would be what? In order for it to be a short tongue, what would it be? Little t, right? All right, what percentage of their offspring are homozygous dominant? 50%, yeah, because 2 of them are, so 2 of the 4 is 50%. And then homozygous recessive? Nobody, 0. See, you're getting these. It's all about learning those vocab words, right? As long as you know these, you're good. You can figure them out. They're not that hard. All right, 5, what trait are you tracing in the cross here? What allele are we doing in 5? So body length, right? And then list the offspring genotypes and their phenotypes. All right, so you have how many different genotypes? I see 3. Is that what you see? Because I see capital L, capital L, little l, and 2 little l's. So I see 3 different genotypes. So what are their 3 phenotypes? Or are there only 2? So the lowercase l's, what are they going to be? Short or long? Short. And so how many shorts are we going to only get? 1, right? Or 25%. Yeah. And then 75% of the time, their babies are going to be long. All right. So it's always that 3 to 1.